why I love Tita Kate. She is number 1. She is pretty. Number 2. She buy me clothes and toys. Number 3. She is kind and thoughtful. Reasons why I love Tita Kate. 1. Because she is my tita. 2. She supports the family and bought me V-Bucks. 3. She takes care of me when I was a baby.
Hey Kate, happy birthday. 30 ka na. Welcome to the 30s Club. I'm still sick, so excuse my voice. I think a lot of us are very thankful to have Kate in our lives because she's really genuine. Kate has this personality of being positive always, and she's really such a genuinely good friend, best friend, I may say, sister to me. So I know that even if we're afar, Kate, we know that the attachment is still there now. Every time we call or message each other, it's still the same. I wish that you'll have more blessings to come, or whatever you're wishing for will be granted. At the same time, the blessings that you have right now should remain forever because you deserve it. I think that's it. I hope I will see you soon, Kate, and just enjoy your day. And I'm 100% sure that your future, your everyday will be very beautiful because you're such a nice person. Love you, Kate.
Happy birthday, Kate! Thankful kami na nakilala namin kayo kahit sa short period of time. Nakita namin kung gaano ka-genuine and thoughtful and how great a mom you are. We wish you a very happy birthday!
And Happy New Year!
God bless!
God bless!
Happy birthday to my BFF. Today is a very special day for me because one of a special person close to my heart is celebrating her birthday. To my dearest Kate, having you in my life was one of God's greatest blessings. You've been my rock through thick and thin since we were college. You made a great impact in my life. I hope this year bring you more peace, love, happiness, more blessings to you and your family, and a lifetime of happy vibes. I miss you, and you know that I love you always, and I hope to see you soon.
Happy 30th birthday, Tita Kate. I love you.
Birthday, Kate! Halong ka mo da. God bless. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Kate. I love you. I miss you. Halong ka da.
Happy birthday, happy 30th birthday. Subong ko lang nabalaan nga 8 years and 1 day ganaton nga gap. So thank you so much for inspiring me in choosing nursing, which right now nakita ko gid ang ako nga passion and love to serve other people, and ginapamakot mo ko pirmi kung paano nga na-inspire mo ko. Ang answer ko lang da is nakita ko ba kung how pure and genuine you are in terms of taking care of other people. So that ako guro na-inspire ako sa imo, and how kind you are. Basta balaan mo na. You're very approachable and one call away. Ikaw gid always one chat away. So thank you gid for everything, and I hope to see you soon, and also I hope that you're always safe. I'm always here for you, and always gid ko magiging one chat away man for you. Thank you so much, my older sister from another mother. Bye! God bless you. I love you so much.
Hi Kate, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More blessings now and in the years to come, especially good health. I hope you will enjoy your day, your special day with love, joy, and laughter. kay masadya na kamo dira subong, nagdamo na kamo, nara na kanday, kanay Maybel, si Amara nga kasadya kid. Remember, take care always, God bless, and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday! Wish ko makakapuli na kamo diri. Hi Sab, hi Thor, ano pa? So isa ganyan. Jackson, love you guys. Miss you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Kate. Happy 30th birthday. Kibot ka. Hamba ni Thor, ma-write kami some 3 reasons why we love you. So, there's so many reasons, but wala na yung tatlo, kaya para lipot lang. Number 1 is, I love you for being selfless just to provide for your family. Biskanda mo ka na obra. Ma-laundry ka pa, ma-cook ka pa, madulong kay Savi. Even though you have so many patients. No, you know, you're not just a mom, but you're a super mom. And saludo, gid ko simo. Second, you're willing to extend your help to other members of the family without hesitation. As long as makaya mo, you will help it. You always give positive vibes in every situation and give strength to those who are feeling down. Amo kagina. And I love how you become a responsible wife to Thor and a loving, caring, and a super mom to your sons, Savi and Jackson. So, again, happy birthday. Dumaybi ko, Char. I miss you and Maybel. No. Love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nang. I wish you all the goodness and all that is best for you in your life. God bless you and your family always. You know how much I love you. Premi ko ginambal. Pusher. Pusher. Tagid ka. Pusher sa drugs. Pusher because not only push mo ko to be the best that I can be, but also kung wala man ko, di subong ko din ko, like, muna. Well, thank you for everything. Words cannot express how thankful I am for you and Thor. Mostly you, cause nagani pusher. Pusher taka. I love you always. I know ko di para mo. Never doubt yourself because you're the best mom for your kids. You and Bibi are the best sisters. Thank you for everything. Baby ko din sa lakyan. Anyways, I'm very thankful to have you in my life. Thank you sa pag-love sa amon, kay Mara, sa amon yung family, sa imong help. I know ikaw ang may pinaka soft-hearted and strong a person that I know. Ikaw ang gapa strong sa amon.
Birthday ka, wish you all the best in life. May the Lord continue to bless you and guide you, and also to your family. May you be a loving and caring mom to your children and to your husband. We are always there for you. Don't worry, always. Just be thankful of what you have. And I always there for you, praying for your safety and for the safety of your children. May you be a good example of a mother and a daughter to all of us.
Ano nila, bato kayo pungusay? Six ka ganaya?
Oo, ginalipatan mo lang.
Ako, sabi ko, 5 to.
Happy birthday, Kate!
Mga happy.
Ay, happy birthday.
Da kaya?
Ay, tsura ko.
Sige na ta.
Hindi lang.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Catherine. Ga, 30 ka na. Ikaw Ay, Diyos ko. Sige, diba? Isa na lang, hindi na ganda yun. Okay.
Kaya mo na.